Hi everyone, my name is Avinash and you are watching Europedia Global, and today's video is going to be about TOEFL listening section, which is the second section of your TOEFL exam, and it would last for 41 to 57 minutes approximately. And this section is meant to measure your ability to understand conversations and lectures. So you will hear lectures and conversations in this section, in which you will get 3 to 4 lectures, in which each would last for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, having 6 questions in it. Means whatever you listen in the lecture, you will have to answer certain questions given at the end of that lecture, and make sure that you take notes while listening to that lecture, okay? Because you will not be having any option to replay the lecture. You could not replay the lecture. You would have to listen to everything just only once, okay? Now talking about the conversation, you will get 2 to 3 conversations in TOEFL, in which each would last for approximately 3 minutes. And at the end of the audio clip, you would be having 5 questions per conversation. So this is how the structure of your listening section would be in TOEFL exam. Okay, so it will, once again, let me repeat, it would be there. The purpose of this section is for measuring your ability to understand lectures and conversations in the academic environment. So conversation part would be about just only academic discussion. It could be on any particular issue that is there, usually there in the academic environment. Like you may find 2 students speaking about something, they are discussing about a particular thing, they are discussing about lab structures, how the block should be divided, what items should be there in the college cafeteria, how should be the transportation in the campus area. So any topic of conversation could be there in this conversation part. And if we talk about lectures, then you could listen to any sort of lecture from any academic book or any academic environment, like professors deliver a lot of lectures in the classroom. So that kind of lecture you would listen. And once again, while we are talking about the listening section of TOEFL exam, it means you have to take notes and you have to include everything in your notes, the important information from all parts of the lecture, because later on you would have to answer those questions on the basis of that information noted by you only. If you do not have that information in your notes, then you may lose points, because you will not be able to answer the questions on the basis of that information. So that's how this listening section would be for you, right? So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.